Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Sony WH-1000XM4. Wow, that's a long name, but I rather call it the XM4. So this was created in August 2022, and it has 360 reality audio. There's a Google Assistant, Alexa built-in. It's set to have a 30 hours battery life, also noise cancellation, and this is the midnight blue color. Yeah, let's get into it. Just gonna rip this open. So this just arrived today, and I just decided to do the unboxing today because I'm really excited about this one. I've been meaning to get new headphones for a while now, so yeah. So here is it in the packaging. Just nice and really sleek. Has the Sony by the side. Yeah, and just some information about the headphone. So you can see it has a touch panel to pause your music, rewind your music, increase the volume. So if you slide that up, left to right, yeah, it just has the nice touch functionality, which I find quite interesting. So let me just unbox this. Wow, so you have this easy setup, well, I say document in front, and I think it comes with its own application as well. So you have to download the app to get the most of this headphone. And yeah, wow, so here is the case. So it has a blue case, and it has this compartment here for other stuff. I really like the color blue, as you can tell by my watch strap as well and my desk mat. So I just thought I'll go with the color blue, but this is really nice. I like this. Let's see what the paperwork says first. So wow, it's quite a lot of documentation over here. Has a lot of documentation over here. So what is this? This is, I think it's just the normal, guide, what to do, what not to do and stuff. I could cover this in another video as well, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Let's just get right into it. So one thing I realized was Sony matches the color scheme of the headphones with the pouch as well. So as you can see, this is gold. So the headphone has the gold Sony logo like this, the gold like this, and some gold in here as well for the microphones, and the blue on the outer side. So same with the packaging, which is really nice. It's quite light as well, as a light carry-on. I'm just gonna open this. Wow, amazing. Really amazing. So here it is, the Sony XM4, like I like to call it. It also has the near field communication. Comes with a headphone jack for if you're on long flights. For, as you can see, not sure if you guys can see the airplane, so it's an airplane jack. It also comes with the jack as well. So I think you just put this in here. No, maybe not that. But yeah, it just goes in here, and it comes with this aux headphone jack, which is really nice for people who like to listen or watch some entertainment on the flight. Yeah, what else is in here? This is a USB cord. I'm guessing is for charging, obviously. And here we have the headphones, which comes with, tells you how to put it back, really. This is what it looks like. This is the blue color. It has the gold on the tone here, and it's really nice. This is a nice, like, leathery. It's really soft as well. And oh, I can see there's some sensors in here. I think it has some sensors as well. I'm going to make another video just to discuss the functionality of this, but right now I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing. Yeah, you can drop that down, put it back. Yeah, it's really sleek, really nice. I like it. I'm going to really have some fun with this one. Really excited to get cracking. You have I think this is the charging port, and this is the USB jack, and you have a custom button and a power button as well. Yeah, I think that's about it for the unboxing of the Sony WH-1000XM4 midnight blue color. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you really like the video, can you show some support and like? Thank you.